Mindful walking practice. Welcome to our tutorial on mindful walking practice. This is a simple yet effective way to cultivate mindfulness and presence in your everyday life. The beauty of this practice is that it can be done anywhere and at any time. Mindful walking is an active form of meditation where movement is synchronized with your breath. It brings an awareness to the millions of tiny movements that make up each step. It's a way to feel grounded, connected, and fully present in the present moment. Start by finding a quiet and peaceful place to walk. It can be indoors or outdoors. Stand tall, feeling the ground beneath your feet, and take in a deep breath. Close your eyes momentarily, and let your body relax completely. Now, open your eyes, and take a step forward. As you move, pay attention to the sensation of your feet touching the ground, and the sensation of the ground supporting you. Be fully aware of the movement of your body. Synchronize your steps with your breath. You may choose to take a step with each inhale and each exhale, or you may choose to take several steps per breath. Find a rhythm that feels comfortable and natural to you. As you walk, keep your attention on your breath and your steps. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the experience of walking and breathing. Don't judge or criticize yourself. Remember, the goal is not to get anywhere, but to be fully present in each step. Feel the connection between your body and the earth with each step. Feel the air on your skin, the sun on your face, or the wind in your hair. Notice the sounds around you, and the smells. Engage all your senses. With mindful walking, we're not trying to change anything or get to a certain place. We're simply becoming aware of each step and each breath. We're fully present and fully alive in this moment. As you continue your walk, you may notice that your mind becomes calmer and your body becomes more relaxed. You may feel a sense of peace and tranquility. This is the beauty of mindful walking. It allows us to experience life as it is, right here and right now. As your walk nears its end, slow your steps and take a moment to reflect on the experience. Notice any changes in your body or mind. Take a few deep breaths, and when you're ready, gently bring your walk to a close. Mindful walking is a simple practice, but it can have profound effects on your mental and physical well-being. By bringing mindfulness into your daily activities, you can cultivate a sense of peace, balance, and well-being. Thank you for joining us today for this mindful walking practice tutorial. Remember, the journey of mindfulness is a lifelong one, and every step you take is a step towards a more mindful and present life.